Hello everyone, this is Pavitra Kumar Das, founder of NPPD Bizvidya and NPPD Care, and this video is exclusively for people who are business owners or the people who are planning to start their career on business analytics or data analytics. Okay, so this video is the topic of this video will be how can a business analyst or a data analyst चेंज योर बिजनेस और इम्प्रूव योर बिजनेस, उसका रोल एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है. तो एज यू सी दिस AI, मशीन लर्निंग, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, डेटा, ये दीज आर वेरी बज वर्ड्स राइट नाउ. डेटा इज़ द न्यू ऑयल. आई थिंक यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड ऑफ दिस सो मेनी टाइम्स. एंड इसके बारे में हम लोग बात करते हैं कि हाउ अ डेटा एनालिस्ट एग्जैक्टली इम्प्रूव्स योर बिजनेस. इफ़ यू नॉर्मली गो फॉर एनी डेटा एनालिटिक्स कोर्सेज और डेटा एनालिटिक्स और बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स के कोर्सेज, यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ टेक्निकल चीज़ें जो वो लोग पढ़ाते हैं. For example, you will study statistics, you will study a lot of algorithms, you will study programming, you will study some softwares maybe, and this is how you get to know about the technical skills. But what about the business skills? Business skills comes only when you are acquainted with the real-time data, or you do a lot of brainstorming with previous datas with someone who has a good grasp of business scenarios. For that there are many platforms if you can see which people go and solve their problems. So basically हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि how this data analyst or business analytics got evolved and what is exactly the role for a small business owner if they are starting out their business or their business into some stage where they can use a lot of data which is getting generated for analysis of it. तो basically data analytics होता क्या है and how did it got evolved? So previously if you see those conventional businesses, इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन के बाद मैक्सिमम जो छोटे बिजनेस ओनर्स रहते हैं दे डू नॉट गो फॉर एनी स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे ऑफ गैदरिंग द डेटा. इफ़ यू गो एंड सी एनी शॉपकीपर और स्टोर और जो भी टीयर 2 टीयर 3 सिटीज़ में जो भी बिजनेसेस होते हैं, मैक्सिमम ऑफ द बिजनेसेस आर नॉट स्ट्रक्चर्ड. फॉर एग्जांपल दे आर नॉट डिजिटलाइज्ड. तो फॉर एग्जांपल समबडी इज कमिंग टू देम, दे जस्ट नोट डाउन द पॉइंट कि कौन आ रहा है, उसका रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है एंड ऑल दो स्टफ. इवन इफ राइट नाउ यू कैन सी सो मेनी businesses they run only with the paper and pen. They collect their data in paper and pen. They do not go for digitalization. इससे क्या होता है कि you cannot store the data. But if you are a business owner, if you have digitalized your business, you have proper CRM tool or any tool or any software where you gather the data or your data is automatically getting gathered, or there are people who are doing data entry and they have a lot of data. So what happens is a data analyst or a business analyst, what they can do is they can analyze all the data of different departments. There is sales, there is marketing, there is customer success team, there is so many teams, there is product development team, there are people who are using social media to promote you. So there are many type of teams which you have in your business, right? So every team will be generating some kind of data. For example, sales कितना हुआ, कौन से बंदे ने अप्रोच किया, लीड जनरेशन, कन्वर्शन, ROI, all those things can be and must be, okay, it must be gathered in your database. And after all these data is gathered, जो डेटा एनालिस्ट या बिजनेस एनालिस्ट का काम होता है, दे गो एंड एनालाइज ऑल दिस डेटा. तो सपोज यू हैव थाउजेंड्स ऑफ डेटा एंड फ्रॉम दैट यू हैव सो मेनी फीचर्स कि कौन से लोकेशन से है, कौन सा डेट है, कौन सा मंथ है, एंड व्हाट इज़ द एज ऑफ दैट पर्सन एंड हाउ फ्रिक्वेंटली ही इज़ गेटिंग बैक टू अस. ऑल दीज थिंग्स कैन बी स्ट्रक्चर्ड इन अ वेरी गुड मैनर and then can be represented in the form of dashboards. Okay, so after you see the dashboards, you will get a proper idea that this is the insight of the data which I have gathered. And अगर आपका data एक small category में है, thousands of data है, then it can be easily represented in graphs or charts or dashboards which you can see and take your decision. Or it can, if you have lots of data, lakhs of data, then that can be gone through machine learning algorithms or some AI algorithms which can be used for your business. तो इस तरह से very simple manner I explained you that कैसे data ये जो है small business owners का use होता है and how this data can be used by you also. So if you are a small business owner, you are in love with technology, you are interested in technology, then you should always understand and always take a small course on understanding this data analytics, because ये future है. Data analytics doesn't matter from which stream you are, which profession you are, what you are doing. आपको अगर आता है then it is very 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 advantageous for you. Okay, तो आप लोग डेटा एनालिटिक्स का कोर्स करो. अगर यू हैव एनी स्पेसिफिक डाउट्स which is related to business analytics or data analytics and your stream of business, or you have any specific requirements from data analytics, then you can comment down below. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा then please like, subscribe and share and press that bell button. Thank you.